What's going on? If you're looking for the best MLM company to join in 2023 that's crushing it right now with no auto ship required, then this video is for you. Let's face the fact, there are a lot of companies out there that are charging overpriced for the products that they are selling people in order for them to pay their reps. Well, the company that I'm about to share with you right now, it has changed the game. It's totally different. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to walk you through the back office of the company. I'm going to show you the products that the company offer. I'm going to show you the tools that they give you in order to be successful. And if you should decide to join this network marketing company with me, I have some bonuses and other tools that I'm going to share with you that's going to help you get up and going, even if you're a complete beginner at network marketing. So with that being said, let's get started right now. So the network marketing business opportunity that I'm talking about in this video is called LiveGood. Now, LiveGood launched back last year, earlier in sometime in December. We've only been in for maybe 6 weeks now, but the team that I'm on, we are growing exponentially. It's growing fast and it's growing rapidly. Okay. So what I'm actually going to do right here. Now, this is the website that you're going to see, or this is the membership back office here. These are the products here. You get to see your genealogy. You have a contact manager as well. And you also have 3 websites. Now, the corporate site that you see here is for that you can share with people in your warm market who may want to become members of LiveGood with you. Okay. And they are also able to see the retail price of the products and the membership prices of the products. Now, LiveGood is built upon a Costco model, meaning people pay a membership in order to get a discount on the products. Therefore, no auto ship is required. And if you have been in any other network marketing business, and I'm not going to call any name, you know that in order to get paid, you need to be on an auto ship. That's not the case with this company here with LiveGood Network Marketing Business. You do not have to be on auto ship. As a matter of fact, you do not have to even purchase any of the products. Okay. You can simply retail the products or sell the products or get other people to come in as affiliate for LiveGood. Now, this site here is the retail site. This is where people will actually have to pay the full price for the products. Now, I'm going to show you the prices on the products later. You're also going to get a Powerline landing page, and I can show you what that page is going to look like. The page is going to look like this here, where people are going to enter their information and they're going to be put in your Powerline. Okay. Now, every Thursday, the company is going to do emailing for you. Okay. Every Thursday is the cutoff date. If those people do not upgrade into the system, then they're going to be left in the power line. But the company is going to send emails out on your behalf, encouraging them to upgrade. But you can also reach out to them as well to encourage them to upgrade as well. So you're going to get a site that looks just like this. This comes with the system. Okay. When you upgrade, you're going to get that site. Okay. So if we come over here and I'm on the home tab now. Okay. I can look at my membership. If we click on shop, these are the products. And once you upgrade, okay, you're only going to invest $49.95. Okay. The $40 is one time. The $9.95 is a monthly residual payment that you have to pay, but you earn a commission, okay, on the $40 and on the $9.95 residually for that. Okay. So these are some of the products here that we offer, and I'm just going to click on this multivitamin here, click on learn more. Okay, this is the product. You can actually see, if you click on the image, it gives you more information about the product, what's in it. Your membership price, once you upgrade, will only cost you $9.95, but the regular retail price is $17.95, and you can pick the quantities that you want. Now, as I said before, you are not required to order any products. That's totally up to you. Okay, but if you're in the health and wellness like I am, then ordering the products, will be good for you. And I honestly believe that, if you're going to promote any business opportunity, you need to be a product of the product, at least, one that's going to benefit you and that you really enjoy taking. Okay. So then you get to see, the competitor prices here. And here they are here. So you get to see that with the products. And let's just go back over to the products again. And you have all of these products here. Okay. Everything right here. And if you come down to the bottom, you can even get gear if you want to. They have the everything pack. You can buy it in bulks. Remember, No auto ship is required to be a part of this network marketing company. No auto ship is required to earn commissions in this network marketing business called LiveGood. Okay. You're able to see your info, your order history. You can see your team, your referrals, your enrollers. You can see who's on the leaderboard. You've already seen where your websites are. This is just a bigger view of them. Okay. You're able to see your statistics here. You can see all of that. You can see your source statistics. You're going to have all of this information. And even with the people that come in, you're going to have a customer relationship manager or CRM where you're going to get their email and their telephone number so you can reach out to them personally and welcome them to the team. Okay. So all of this, and then you're able to see your earnings. You'll see people, that's busy coming in as a pre-enrollee here at all times. Now you see right now, William, is here. So if I refresh the page, let's see if anyone else has come in. Now you see William is down here and 3 more people have came in since I just showed you that. So this is working and the system is working. Okay. So it's a simple network marketing business, that you can tap into right now in 2023 and start crushing it. And you don't have to pay any auto ship. And I've been in network marketing before. Trust me. I did not like the pay plans. I did not like any of the products. I didn't like the fact that I had to go out and chase family and friends and all of that stuff. So, I wanted something simple that I can do online. And I gave up network marketing for a long time and did strictly affiliate marketing. Okay. Until LiveGood. I was introduced to LiveGood, and then I decided hey, I want to join it. Now, here's the thing. In fact, you can earn up to $2,047.50 per month without ever enrolling a single person. Now, that sounds good to a lot of people. A lot of people use that to go out there and advertise. I do not, simply because I do not want people joining, my team thinking that they don't have to do anything and just sit back and wait for the money to roll in. It can happen, but that's the slow way. If you want to speed it up, you're going to have to learn how to market. You're going to have to learn how to promote. You're going to have to learn how to be the solution to people problems. Okay. Because if you think about it, the products, people are looking to save money on products. It solves a problem. People don't want to spend a lot of money on products for their health. If you can offer them a cheaper alternative, but it's still a solution to their problem, then guess what? You're in a win-win situation. Okay. So you get to earn up to 6 ways. We have the weekly fast start commission. Okay. So on the $49.95, you earn a $25 commission that's paid out the very next week. Okay. They have paid out every Thursday. They pay out every Thursday. When I come in my back office and I look and see what I have earned, it is in my bank account the same day. Okay. So I'm not going to get into all of this right here. I'm just going to try to keep it as simple as possible. Okay. So the weekly fast start commissions are here. $40 affiliate sign up. So you earn $5 for every new member that you refer, plus $20 for any affiliate that you refer. Okay. So for the new members, you earn $5. For the affiliate, you earn $20. Okay. That's a total of $25 paid out to you the very next week. That's fast start. We have the matrix commissions here as well. Okay. So we have a 2x15 matrix. Okay. And like I said, you don't have to try to explain all of this stuff to everybody. Keep it as simple as possible. Okay. So to understand the matrix, it's just simply coming down here and reading this information right here. All percentages are based on the $9.95 membership. Commissions for members who join at the yearly are paid out 12 months at $9.95. I came in at the yearly. Okay. So I don't have to worry about paying the $9.95 per month. But if you come in at the yearly, I would still earn a commission of a percentage of that $9.95 every month. Okay. So, and this here just tells you how it's all broken down. Okay. So we have matching bonuses, and this is a huge, okay. This is along with the fast start commission and the matrix bonuses. Okay. The matching bonuses are even bigger. See, on top of the $2,400 $2,047.50 or up to $16,383.50. You can earn in your personal matrix. You will earn a 50% of the max commission on everyone you enroll, and the percentage of everyone, the people enroll, 5 enrollment generation deep, regardless of where they fall. So if you want to pause the video, you can read this. Just give you an example of how that works. Also, you have retail commissions in here as well. I'm not going to get into that. You can pause the video and read that. You have influencer bonuses. Okay, so there are 6 ways that you can earn a commission in this company that is real simple and real easy. And don't worry about it. When you join my team, we have all the tools and resources you need in order to make this work for you. So let's see once again. Someone else has joined. Let's refresh the page. John has joined. If you notice, they are coming in by the seconds here, and this just works. It's the best network marketing company or MLM company to join in 2023. We are crushing it online right now. Once you join our power team, you're going to be set up for success. We're going to walk you step by step through the process. And remember, no auto ship is required. So if you're ready to join the best MLM company in 2023 and start crushing it online right now, forget about the auto ship. Click the link in the description below to get signed up. If you have any questions, my contact information will be above this video. You can reach out and ask me any question that you may have. So I hope you got value from this video. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below if you have any questions. I look forward to you joining Live Good with me. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.